Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. My video topic is super keyword and this keyword. The super keyword in Java is used to refer the parent class objects. It is mainly used for three uses. First is used to call the parent class methods. Second is used to invoke the parent class constructor, and third is to invoke the parent class variables. Now we are first saying it is used for instance variable or parent class variable. For example, we created the class that is animal. In that we write the string color is white, and we completed that class. In the next class we created the next class that is dog, and we extended that dog class by animal. When we extend this dog class by animal, then the property which is we have declared, that is a string color is equal to white, is inherited in the dog class. But also we have to create the another variable, that is string color is equal to black. In the first class we created the string color is equal to white, and in the second we declare the string color is equal to black. When these two methods or two variables we declared, when we have to call that, then there becomes ambiguity. So we created the print method in the dog class, that is void print, and we have to call first method which is present in the animal class. This can be possible by using super keyword. Like super.color, and print this. In the sysout we write super.color, and again we write super or only color, sysout and color. Then the output becomes firstly we get the output which is we have presently declared in the animal class, that is white, and next is in the dog class, that is black. Like also we can call the constructor. For example, in the constructor we created the class animal, and also we create in the method, that is a method, not it's a constructor, that is animal constructor, and we write that sysout, this is animal, and again we create the second class, that is dog, and we create the constructor, that is dog, which we have written this sysout, this is dog. Then when we create the main method of that, and when we call that method which that is dog, then the output becomes firstly this is animal, and second this is dog, because of the super keyword is automatically get added by the compiler in the inherited class. Also we can use super class in the method. Also there are multiple methods. When we have to use the parent class method, then we use the super keyword, and this keyword is used to refer the variable or reference variable of the object. When we created the class and declare the variable, that is int roll number, and in the constructor which is argument passed, and we write the int roll number. When the roll number is passed from the main method, then the then the problem for storing that reference variable or variable, so we have to write this keyword for the instance variable, and we have to store this variable which we have passed in the reference variable of the class. Then we have to use this keyword. Also there is this is used for constructor or objects. Thank you.